The one thing I remember from school that fascinated me when I was a little boy was a textbook that had one of those cutaway diagrams of the Earth, and it showed the Earth, this was as it was understood in the 1950s when I was a schoolboy, but as if they'd cut the Earth and taken a big chunk out of it, a quarter of the Earth away, and so you could see into the interior of the Earth in this illustration. And I just remember being fascinated by that because, of course, I'd spent the whole of my life just on the surface of this great globe, and the idea that there was so much going on in the middle and beneath our feet in the interior of the Earth, and the idea that it got hotter and hotter and hotter the deeper you went into it until you got to the very middle, and there was this glowing core of metal, red hot, hotter than the sun, I remember telling us, and just the idea that in the very middle of the Earth there was this thing. So the idea that of going deep into the Earth was something that I found, in theory, terribly exciting. I mean, I would have loved to have been able to do it, but was one of the things we as a species have failed to do is penetrate very far into the surface of the Earth because it's just so challenging.